Hello to all my gardening friends, Jeff here, and I have a real treat in store for you today. I'm here at the Colman Estate in West Seattle, and they're known for hundreds of different varieties of rhododendrons, and right now they are in full bloom. I'm so excited to be able to share them with you. This 2.5-acre estate garden was featured on the West Seattle Garden Tour in 2019 as a historic garden, and it is a natural treasure. And because these rhododendrons on the estate are so old, you can see how gigantic they are. As I'm driving down the street, I'm noticing more people who have planted their rhododendrons right out in full sunshine. Just know that in the natural world, rhododendrons grow in a forest underneath the taller trees where they get that dappled sun, and it produces a much better plant. They prefer a little bit more shade than all of that sun, especially the hot afternoon sun. Morning sun is okay. Rhododendrons are from the family Ericaceae, just like azaleas, and they prefer a more acidic soil. So when you're going to plant your rhododendron, consider using an acidic fertilizer. And I know we're talking about rhododendrons, but I just had to point out this incredible Imbothrium coccineum, the Chilean flame tree, all the way from Chile. It is absolutely spectacular. After the flowers on your rhododendron are finished, you can come in with your fingers and just lightly pluck off the old blossoms. And that'll help to tidy up the plant as well. This is called deadheading. You see how that cleans it up? You gotta be careful. You don't wanna pick next year's blossom. In a garden this size, deadheading might be a little bit more of a challenge, but it's definitely something to consider. This has been so much fun for me to share these beautiful rhododendrons here at the Colman Estate with you. Until next time, thanks so much.